Hey beautiful people, the weekend begins. Starting to vlog. Currently in World Market. The hubby has his eye on something. I don't even know what it is, but when he has his mind fixed on something, he's gonna get it. Hey guys, why is it that I could never look decent a full vlog? Like I'm always just looking crazy. Anyways, I've been on non-stop clean mode. I have done so many loads of laundry and it's tiring because I have to go downstairs. Like I have to have stuff hanging because certain things I just don't trust the dryer with, and before I shrink and ruin it, I'd rather just line dry or air dry. But yeah, so today is Saturday. Like I said, I've been cleaning. Hubby made dinner last night. I think you guys should have seen that. What else is going on? I'm about to jump in the shower because I look a hot mess, so I have to make myself look halfway decent because we're going out to the movies. And then I think I'm gonna come back and continue to cleaning. I'm like in a mode right now because there's a lot of things that we haven't unpacked since we moved, because we moved. I had to go to Vegas, I went to LA, went to Bali, came back, dived straight into work and school. So it's been hectic. So I'm really doing a deep unpacking and cleaning right now. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on. I will check in when I'm out the shower. So we're getting ready to go to the movies. Finished cleaning up. Sun is going in and out. I still want to film today. I was supposed to revert my hair from straight back to curly. Don't know when I'm gonna do that. But yeah, so still got some stuff to clean. Need to clean out my living room. That's phase 2. So after the movie's done, probably gonna go get groceries and then come back, cook and clean, and then relax. Hey guys, I'm back home. I actually just got done recording a video. It's my top 3 tips for growing long natural hair. And I'll be extremely transparent because that's the whole purpose of these vlogs, right? This getting to know me series, so that you can get to know me. So I'm not gonna be fake or phony. I'm actually gonna tell you what I'm feeling, and I'm feeling like shit. I'm feeling, I'm feeling like, I don't know how to put it, guys. Like, I just feel like, I feel human, and let me explain. Humans need some sort of interaction with other beings. One of the top ones being human beings. But right now, like, I'm by myself, and that's fine. Being by yourself is totally fine. I'm actually going to turn tonight into like a self-care me time type thing. I might even make a video about it for you guys. But what I mean is like having peers and friends and sincere partnerships and relationships outside of family. And by, you know, family, I'm including my hubby in that. But, you know, I have the house to myself, and I was like thinking I would hang out with one of my girlfriends, but she's going through, you know, she's going through her own thing at this time, and I just don't want to, you know, I don't want to be all up in her space because she needs her space right now. And then I'm thinking of all these friendships that I've tried to rekindle over the past couple years. Now, I'm not saying that I've been the most aggressive person in trying to rekindle these friendships, but I have done my due diligence, and I have, I think, tried to maintain some sort of friendship with people that I grew apart from, you know, like, and no bad blood, you know, we've seen each other since. It's just, we literally grew apart, went in separate directions, and we've been trying to reconnect and come back again. And like I said, we've met before, and it's not just one person, it's just a group of people that I really wanted to rekindle and be around. And I just feel like, I am only invited when I'm needed, or when someone wants to pick my brain. Like, I feel like that's the only time I get a call, I get a text. Now, granted, I do get the, oh, we should do dinner, oh, you should come over, oh, you know, don't get me wrong, it's not always, hey, come over here and do my makeup. It's usually something else. But I hate the fact that it's always a, oh, what do you know? Tell me about your blog. Oh, tell me about this. Tell me about that. Oh, can you help me move? Oh, can you do this for me? But it's not, oh, I'm having a birthday party. Would you be able to come to my birthday party? Oh, I'm having a family cookout. I'm inviting friends over. Do you want to come? Are you going to be able to make it? It's never that. So I'm just in my feelings right now. I'm really in my feelings. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this vlog, guys. I'm not doing anything other than I watched a movie, had a piece of cake, had myself a drink, and just in my feelings, but nothing's really going on. I did edit. I actually recorded this video, and my lips were way too dry in the video, so I'm gonna have to do it again. It's just been a trying day, well, afternoon, because the day was fine, but it started going downhill in the afternoon. Nonetheless, I'm wrapping this vlog. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.